Hello. Today, let's talk about the ripening or over-ripening process of plantain. Shall we? Yes, we shall. The ripening of plantain is a highly coordinated biochemical transformation that turns a hard, starchy vegetable into a soft, sugary fruit. So here is a summary of the 5 phases of how this happens. The trigger, ethylene. So ethylene is an hormone that is found in plants. It follows a cycle called the Yann cycle. And what this Yann cycle does is it makes the ethylene to begin to produce inside of the plant. And by doing this ethylene sends a message to every part of the plant for them to become active, sort of, so they know that, okay, it's time for us to start aging and it's time for us to start breaking down. So this is where the whole process of ripening starts. Alright, phase 2, the sweetening from starch to sugar. This is the most significant chemical transformation in the whole process. Let me grab my food. So enzymes like amylase and propionate, what they do is they break down complex starch, which is 25% of what is in green plantain. I thought it was going to be more than that too, but that's beside the way. So they break down this starch into simple sugar like sucrose, glucose, and fructose. And they wonder why cows don't have feet, because they lactose.
3. Softening. Structural breakdown. The fruit loses its crunch as enzymes, polygalacturonase and pectin methylesterase, dissolve the pectin and cellulose that hold the plant's cell walls together. This turns the firm tissue into a creamy, soft texture. 4. Changing appearance. Color and aroma. Color. The enzyme chlorophyllase destroys green chlorophyll, revealing the yellow carotenoids underneath. Aroma. Lipids are broken down into volatile compounds, creating the distinct fruity smell of a ripe plantain. 5. Senescence. Senescence. As the plantain reaches the overripe black stage, its high sugar content and weakened skin may lead to fermentation. In this stage, yeasts or internal anaerobic processes convert sugars into ethanol and organic acids, giving the fruit a slightly boozy or sour scent. Now you know how your green starchy plantains turn to the yellow sweet mode. Next time, we would look at the nutritional profiles of the 3 ripened stages.